welcome back to my channel. I'm Jaleesa Graham, and I'm eating I think it's called a brookie. You guys ever had like Domino's and had like the brownie and cookie? That's what I'm eating right now. But if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you guys subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you're returning, thank you guys so much for always returning and supporting me, watching my videos, commenting, liking. I really do appreciate it, guys. And make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram at Jaleesa Graham. So this is going to be a quick little vlog. Today is Sunday. What is it? April 16th. And my foster daughter is officially 5 months old. I got her a couple things from Ross. Maybe a thumbnail, guys. Let me see. And I'm just going to do a quick little haul and show you. I also would love to know if you guys had specific dates that you would love to see my vlogs. I'm going to get on a consistent schedule. So maybe we could, like today's Sunday, so maybe always a Sunday video. And if you guys could pick like 1 or 2 more days down in the comments that you think would be a good day, or what day you would like videos. And if you can also comment below what kind of videos you want to do. I'm thinking of like daily, of course, like the daily day in the lives, but I did get a lot of good comments on my cleaning video and on my like shower and hygiene routine. So I'll probably do a couple more of those. And what's coming up? I have a couple. So actually I'm going to post this vlog today, but after this I'm going to post a vlog that I probably should post before. Me and my boys, we went away for spring break. Tomorrow's Monday, so they're going back to school. So the vlog won't exactly be in order, because I'm filming this one Sunday. I'm going to post it today. And then once I'm done editing our spring break, I'll post that so you guys can see where we went. And I'm trying to think what else I have coming up that I'll vlog for you guys. But comment below what kind of videos you'd like from me. I think I'm definitely going to give you guys a cleaning video, a skincare video, and probably just like a day in the life is what I'm thinking. Like, comment below what you guys want to see on my channel. Okay. Let's get into it. All right, first, this is just, I just threw this in the bag, but I'm actually doing like a Sunday reset. Oh, would you guys like Sunday resets? Comment below. I'm doing a like cleaning Sunday reset type of day. And I was gonna wash these clothes before I wash them. I'm gonna show you guys what I got for her. Okay, let's eat it. So this, let me suit up. Okay, so this is a cute little 2-piece. This is from Limited 2. I get like is it like nostalgic? That's how you say it, right? Nostalgic memories of shopping at Limited 2. If you've never heard of Limited 2, they used to have stores. I don't believe they have any more stores, but now I see like Limited 2 inside of Walmart. This is the first time that I've seen them in Ross, but they do have like a whole section in Walmart now. But there used to be stores called Limited 2, and when I was in 6th grade, Limited 2 was like, in my school, it was like the it store to shop from. You had to have a shirt or a sweatsuit or a bathing suit from Limited 2. And I remember I used to get like the little catalog magazines from Limited 2, and I used to want to order. And I think, is it called, I feel like I feel like Limited 2 and Justice. If you ever heard of like the children's line Justice, I feel like Limited 2 and Justice might be like the same company, or maybe they were Limited 2 first and then they renamed themselves Justice or something like that. If you know what I'm talking about, comment below. But when I saw this, it just reminded me, in 6th grade, I used to always have Limited 2 clothing, and they were not expensive. I mean, they were not cheap. They were expensive. And I remember when my younger sister was getting older, I used to, once I started working, I used to take her on like little shopping sprees at Limited 2 and get her clothes, and they were kind of pricey. But now they have them in Walmart, and now I got this. It's a cute little, so it looks like little palm trees, like a little cute peach colored two-piece for my foster daughter. So she'll be so cute in this summertime with the spring, trying to get like the light pretty colors. I love to get her outfits that have matching headbands. Being a boy mom with her, I've done all the headbands, all the girly frilly pink everything, just because I'm so excited to have a baby girl. So this was $7.99, which I think is so cute. Like Ross, if you don't know what Ross is kind of like Marshall's and TJ Maxx type of store and type of prices. It says like on here like the regular price was $22, which sounds about right. Like limited 2 was not cheap, but I got it for $7.99. Next, I got her this cute, again, I love getting her pieces with matching headbands. And this just looks like a little shirt. Has a little cute top with the little buttons, and has like little shorts in the back. It's like a mustard yellow color. I've noticed that she's like hot all the time. I'm a type of person that's always like cold, and I feel like when I'm dressing her in like her long sleeve onesie, she's always hot. So I thought this would be cute, because nowadays she just chills out in like little onesies in the house, because she's always likes to be nice and cool. She doesn't like to be overdressed. And this was only $4.99. You guys can see I got her this just because, oh, like I was just saying, she loves to be in just onesies. So I got her a couple onesies because she's getting bigger, so she's getting the bigger sizes. And I love this one. The first one is a pretty pink and yellow, and it says blessed. And you get 4. Here's that same like mustard colored. Here is a pretty pink with daisy flowers, white flowers. Here's a solid pink onesie, and then you get a pink with like the mustard yellow. But I think this is cute. I got it because of the first shirt says blessed, so that's what drew me to it. And this was $9.99, which I think is good, because let me see, what was the regular price? It says compared to $24, which I went into a store the other day, y'all, and they had they had 5 shirts. I'm not gonna say the name of the store because I love that store, but it was ridiculous. They had 5 shirts, and I want to say it was $48 for 5 onesies like this. It was $48. And then I was like, let me go see if it's on clearance, and I brought it up to the guy, and it wasn't on clearance, and I think he was saying that they're like $10 each, like the shirt. $48. And I got it for $9.99. And I remember I went to another store once with another foster child I had, and I needed to get her onesies, and I feel like I went to a department store, and they might have been like, I wanted just white ones, you know, like those Gerber white onesies, just like the plain white onesies. I wanted like some of those, and I think when I went to the department store, there was like $30, and I went to Ross and found it for $8. So I love these little like, you know, stores that, oh, I should have gave this to my godson. My godson loved himself some Spider-Man, so I saw these and picked them up. These were only $5.99, and when I was shopping for my foster daughter, I saw these, so I was like, he needs them. Even though this is Peter Parker and he loves Miles Morales, he will tell you he wants Miles Morales, but hopefully he'll like them. I just thought this was cute. So these are the onesies actually that she does not like, these full body ones, because she's always hot. But now that it's getting warm, if I put the air on in the house, my air gets like really cold, so I'll put her in this. But I just got this because she's growing, and she's growing out of her onesies, and I thought this was cute. And of course it has a matching hat, y'all. You know I love headbands and outfits that come with matching hats, and this was only $5.99. We have this, which I think is cute. It's like a little pretty lemon print. It's like a little baby jumper, which I thought was really cute. I think it's so cute. I love like the fit of it, like how it looks, like how it will fit. Just a little like, don't know if it's like a romper jumper type of thing. And it comes with a matching little lemon headband, which I think is so cute. If you guys could see this, let it focus, y'all. And this was $4.99. I think it's so cute. I said I was gonna make this quick. Here's another little romper jumper type get together. And I actually didn't love the print. Like, if you see the print. Oh, my baby's waking up. Okay. She's with Nicholas. So if you're new, I have my foster daughter. She's a baby. She's 5 months. I have my son Nicholas. He is he just turned 11. And then I have my son Gabriel. He is 7. And then I have my godson. She's 3. Oh yeah, I'm trying to do a clothing haul for my babies, if you don't mind. Thank you. Okay. All right, so as I was saying, I don't like this print that much, but I got this just because it was $4.99, and I think it could be cute on like a summer day, just something to throw on. Cute. $4. I got it. All right. This, again, matching hat. I'm a sucker for it. This is a cute little watermelon, strawberry, lemony, summery, teal light colored teal top with the matching hat and the matching shorts. So cute. I love the colors. Bright. We're going for spring. We're going for color. Kind of matches my nails. How much? $4.99. What's this? This is probably for my godson. Yeah, I found this for my godson. So I got that for him. Miles Morales, $4.99. So I had to get that for him. Let's see what else. Yellow. We're going for all pops of color. Summer. So excited for summer. Okay, so this is a Carter's outfit. This is a little big for her, but I thought that the color was very pretty. The pretty flowers on it. The details on the sleeves. And it comes with some little, I guess those are like jegging jean type things. $7.99. But this was cute. Okay. More yellow. I didn't realize I got so much yellow. And with like stores like this, like Ross, I go because often they're pitting out clothes, or like if you go on a Monday, you might go on like a Thursday and there's like a whole bunch of more stuff that they just recently put out. So I usually just get like all the things I like, and then if I go back like the next week, they'll have a whole bunch of other options as well. But this time they had a lot of yellow, mustard yellow. So this is something she could fit now. Let me see. Oh yeah, this is something she could fit now. A little Winnie the Pooh. Is it Pooh? Yeah, Pooh Bear. Like the color. You guys know, love the matching headband. I like the details at the bottom. Wait, can you see that? It says Pooh. And I think that's what it says, but cute. I think it's cute. It was $8.99. And this is the last thing that I got. Yes. This cute little floral dress, which I actually really like this print. This is a Carter's dress, and it comes with the little, it snaps at the bottom. This is $5.99, and it was, you see that, $22. I got it for $5.99. Very cute. I know lately I've been doing all hauls for my baby girl. That's because, guys, I love being a girl mom. And I set up a P.O. box. If you guys would love to send her anything, my P.O. box will be listed in the description of this video. All of this to add to her already. She has more clothes than anybody in the house. My son Gabriel, he loves camouflage. So like whenever I'm shopping for her, if I see anything camouflage, I'll pick it up. If I see anything Spider-Man for my godson, I'll pick it up. And then Nicholas, if I see anything anime, I'll pick it up. But usually now Nicholas and Gabe, me and them will have like mall days, and I'll take them with me and let them pick out things, because they're kind of at the age where they want to pick out their own clothes. And whereas the baby, I can dress her and in whatever. And my godson, as long as it's Miles Morales or Spider-Man, that's all he wears. So when I do these hauls, that's why I don't usually have clothes for my sons, because they're at the age where they pick out their own stuff, and I just kind of like take them shopping and I just buy what they like. But all of these cute things for her, minus these Spider-Man pants. Ooh, all right. Make sure you guys comment below with what kind of content you would like to see from me. Oh Lord. But I'm gonna keep bringing you guys these clothing hauls anyway, because look, let's try to do a picture, guys. All right. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna wash these for her. I'm gonna edit the videos that I have, and I will see you all next time. We have a couple updates that I'll probably do an update video. And if you guys have any questions or anything, or any questions that you want to ask me, you guys know I'm a foster and adoptive mom. You guys know that I model and follow me on Instagram. And if you have any questions, I'm gonna do a life update video because a lot has changed. And I don't know. See ya.